Hi everyone, this is Brio from CalSol Systems. Today I'll walk you through a side-by-side comparison of two leading CRM platforms, Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Salesforce. We'll look at how they differ in deployment, core modules, user experience, customization, cost, and AI security. And today I'll go over the deployment, core modules, user experience, and customization, and pricing AI capabilities in the next Part 2 video. And by the end, you'll have a clear sense of which platform best fits your needs, budget, and technology stack. So let's start with deployment options. Microsoft Dynamics 365 offers both cloud and on-premises solutions. That means you can choose to run in the cloud or your own servers or a mix of both. And it will be helpful if you have data residency or hybrid requirements. And Salesforce, on the other hand, it's cloud only. It's fast to get started, but there's no on-premises option. So if you need on-prem or hybrid control, Dynamics 365 is the only option. And if pure cloud solution works for your company, both are in play. Now let's look at the core modules for each CRM. Dynamics 365 is made up of four main modules. First, Dynamics 365 Sales helps sales team manage lead, opportunities, and customer relationships. It offers AI-powered lead scoring, pipeline, and opportunity management, LinkedIn Sales Navigator integration, and a mobile sales app. And these features work together to improve conversion rates, automate workflow, and enhance collaboration and forecasting. Next, Dynamics 365 Customer Service enables multi-channel customer support and case management with omni-channel engagement through chat, email, phone, and social, automated case routing, and knowledge base integration. And this boosts customer satisfaction, improves agent productivity, and personalized service experiences. And Dynamics 365 Marketing manages campaigns, customer journeys, and lead nurturing. And it includes email marketing, event management, customer segmentation, and lead scoring and tracking, which helps align sales and marketing, improve campaign return on investment, and enhance targeting and personalization. Finally, Dynamics 365 Field Service supports service delivery in the field, including scheduling and resource management, with work order management, resource scheduling, and IoT integration for proactive service, which reduces downtime, improves first-time fix rate, and enhances customer trust. Now let's look at Salesforce. Salesforce is a built-on modular architecture, and its core CRM functionalities is delivered through three main modules called clouds. The Sales Cloud manages the entire sales process, including lead and opportunity management, account and contact tracking, sales forecasting and analytics, and quote and contract generation. And this is considered the heart of Salesforce CRM because it handles customer acquisition and revenue generation. Next, the Service Cloud focuses on customer service and support, offering case management, omni-channel support through phone, email, chat, and social, as well as knowledge base and self-service portals. And this ensures customer satisfaction and retention by managing post-sales interactions. And finally, the Marketing Cloud handles marketing automation and campaign management with personalized email campaigns, social media engagement, and customer journey mapping. And this drives lead generation and nurtures prospects into customers. So in summary, both Dynamics 365 and Salesforce cover the essential CRM functions. Dynamics 365 includes field service as a core module, while Salesforce focuses on sales, service, and marketing clouds. So let's look at the user interface of both Dynamics 365 and Salesforce. Both give users a clear, actionable overview of their work as soon as they log in. And both platforms feature dashboards that highlight key performance indicators, sales pipeline stages, upcoming activities and tasks, making it easier for sales team and managers to stay organized and focused. In Dynamics 365, the homepage is deeply integrated with Microsoft ecosystem, so users can access emails, meetings, and files directly from the dashboard without switching apps. The surface is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor dashboards and views to their specific role using built-in tools like Power BI and Dataverse. And this means that the sales manager, a customer service agent, or a field technician can each have a personalized experience that surfaces the most relevant data for their daily work. And Dynamics 365 also supports role-based navigation, shortcut to frequently used features, and ability to drill down into detailed records from summary queues or reports, which streamlines workflow and save time. On the other hand, Salesforce UI is designed for consistency and ease of use across its different modules or clouds. The dashboard uses cards and widgets to provide guidance, quick actions, and AI-driven insights from Einstein, helping users prioritize leads, opportunities, and service cases. And Salesforce emphasizes a clean layout and intuitive navigation, making it easy to find accounts, contacts, and tasks. The platform also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps from the App Exchange marketplace, allowing users to extend functionalities and customize their workspace. So both systems focus on surfacing actionable information and enabling fast access to critical data. But Dynamics 365 stands out for its seamless integration with Microsoft 365 tools and its flexible, role-based customization. And I feel like Dynamics 365 has more BI and data-driven UI by looking at the screen, while Salesforce excels in delivering unified experience and leveraging its mature cloud ecosystem. But whether you choose Dynamics 365 or Salesforce, the homepage dashboard is designed to help users work smarter by providing instant visibility into their pipeline, activities, and KPIs. And the main differences come down to integration, customization, and the overall user experience each platform delivers. And when it comes to customization, Dynamics 365 and Salesforce take very different approaches. Dynamics 365 is built for flexibility, offering powerful low-code tools like Power Apps and Power Automate, which allow users to create custom forms, workflows, and dashboards without heavy coding. And most business logic and personalization can be handled by non-developers, making it easy to tailor the system to specific roles and departments. And advanced customizations are possible with C# or JavaScript, but for most needs, the built-in tools are sufficient. And integration is another area where Dynamics 365 stands out, thanks to its seamless connection with Microsoft ecosystem, including Teams, Outlook, Excel, Power BI, and the Power Platform. And this means users can collaborate, analyze data, and automate processes across familiar Microsoft apps, reducing complexity and vendor count. And Dynamics 365 also supports both cloud and on-premises deployment, so customizations can be tailored to meet compliance and security requirements. Salesforce, on the other hand, relies heavy on its Lightning platform and App Builder for UI customization and Flow Builder for automation, which is similar to Power Automate. While Salesforce offers a huge App Exchange marketplace for pre-built apps, advanced customization often requires Apex Code and Visualforce, meaning more developer involvement and potentially higher costs. And Salesforce is cloud-only, which can be advantage for organizations seeking a pure cloud solutions, but may limit flexibility for those with hybrid or on-premises needs. And integration in Salesforce is typically achieved through third-party connectors, which can add complexity and cost. And both platforms are investing in AI capabilities. Dynamics 365 provides Copilot across all modules, Agent 365 for governance, and the ability to build custom AI skills using Copilot Studio. Governance and security are also key differentiators. Salesforce offers Einsteins for sales, service, and marketing, as well as Agentforce for automation. For Dynamics 365, it delivers enterprise-grade security and compliance through Microsoft Purview, offering centralized governance for AI agents and data protection. And Salesforce uses Trust Layer for privacy with compliance features available at extra cost. Finally, when we consider cost and total cost of ownership, Dynamics 365 is typically lower due to its native tools, unified platform, and fewer third-party dependency. And Salesforce tend to be higher for advanced customization and integrations, with premium add-ons often required. In summary, Dynamics 365 is ideal for organizations that want to build quickly with low-code, leverage Microsoft tools, and maintain flexibility in deployment and compliance. And Salesforce excels in delivering a unified cloud experience and a vast marketplace, but may require more developer resources and third-party integrations. So we've compared Dynamics 365 and Salesforce across several key areas: deployment options, core modules, user interface, and customization. Both platforms deliver robust CRM capabilities, but the best choice depends on your organization's priorities. So if you value deep Microsoft integration, low-code customization, and flexible deployment, Dynamics 365 is likely the better fit. If you prefer a pure cloud solution with a mature ecosystem and don't mind investing in custom development and integration, Salesforce is a strong contender. Ultimately, aligning your CRM choice with your business processes, technology stack, and strategic goal will help maximize value and drive success. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next part 2 video. Bye!